So winter has brought down another tree in the center. My goodness. I mean, what I had going on last time was this one fell over in the summer. I see pheasants in the background under that tree. Anyway, that's what's moving around back there. So it did fall down on this tree that fell here and probably weakened it in this winter. The winds blew really hard in the end of January. So now I'm gonna have to clean up this a little bit. I won't do too much to it, but I'll have to clean this up enough to get a regular path through. So probably looks like I'll only have to move this one branch. So this is what fell down in the summer and blocked off my easy path to the snake mound. And well, it's pretty amazing. These big trees all flopped down. Pretty good path up through here, coming around underneath the tree here. So alright, let's take a quick look at the mound. Keep this rolling in case the pheasants pop up. The pheasants are back here, but they're probably skedaddled by now into that bush. So here's the garden. It's a Q. You can almost make out the Q shape. So, yep. It's the same mess that I expected it to be. The boar has still been rooting up and down that side. So, what are we going to do about that? I don't know. Step into the center real quick. Rooting up everywhere, pooping everywhere. That's fine, I'll just have to kick it onto the mound. The ground's still frozen, but it's melting today a little bit, so. When I was here 2 weeks ago, I had planted, I think it was 9 potatoes, and 3 of those potatoes were dug up, so I buried the 3 again, and it looks like the other ones are still where I put them because that earth isn't so disturbed. And right above that, this bush of mine is one of the only surviving agreste or gooseberry bushes that I still have, and it's starting to bud, so that's a good sign. The other one was dug up by hogs last winter, and it was not in the ground when it became spring, so it dried up and died. Anyway, I set out 2 trail camera traps in front of 2 dens to see if I can figure out if there is a raccoon dog living in this forest, which I did see one horrible mangy one on my camera last time. I'm trying to find out if there's a den of them or not, or if it was just passing through, because I've found and identified 2 dens. Couldn't really see much for tracks. There was a lot of new stuff dug out of the den, so probably because they covered their own tracks, huh? Anyway, it's windy, it's starting to rain. I'm going to get out of here.